porque así es de sangre la vida. En mi salsa tropical, aquí está para tocar. Es tu humilde timbalero, al lado que tanto quiero, mis gracias les quiero dar.
5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Follow her on 5, 6, 7. Gonna give her a carry through with the left hand. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna push through the frame as I step back inside the slot. 5. I'm gonna back charge. Asking my right hand to her left hand. 6. Start getting out of the way. 7. So now we're gonna go back to back on 1. 1. We're gonna go over the head. 2, I'm going to keep pushing through the frame to turn her. 3, she's going to keep turning. 5, I follow her on 6, 7. Now I'm going to be giving her an inside turn as guys do a broken left turn. So with the right hand up, I'm going to be going over my head as I get out of the slot. 1, I'm starting to bring the left hand over my head as well. 2, the right hand now is to my shoulder. So now I'm going to drop to my right hand as I keep turning to the left. 3, so I'm now going to wrap her up on 5, 6, 7 as we do a salsa step. So now I'm going to be giving her a double turn, unwinding her with the right hand only. So it's going to go palm up on 1, over the head, 2, and directly down on 3. I'm going to switch it to my left hand and then back turn 5, 6, 7. I'm going to give her a Copa on 1, bring her forward on 2, turn her on 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, 7 basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, carry through, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, we're opening up the hip. Now 2 and a half left, turn on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, walk to 1 and a half left, turn on 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a double right. So go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross right in. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.